What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well as always. We're going to see what we can expect next year after this ABC fine validation, okay? We're going to see what we can expect here with the wave. We're going to see what we can expect with the price really. If we're going to get a push to the upside here or a push to the downside, if we're going to retrace, go a lot higher. We're going to plan everything really with the wave. So as always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications. And yeah, let's just start with this. So I'm still going to take for the moment, by the way, not that B wave. Okay, so we got first let's start with the ABC fly here. So ABC fly here, you know, the C wave here went into our 200%. So as always, this is an invalidation. Okay, yeah, that's why, for example, I'm trading, you know, this as a scalp. Okay, this is something I'm doing personally here. You know, for example, I mean, you got 1, 2, 3 touch on that, and you could get some good scalp on this. You know, we got our first target, the 123. Sorry for my voice, I have a bit of a cold. So 123 here, we got a nice retracement. 1618, we got 2 nice retracement of this. So if you're trading this as a scam, it's absolutely fine. Now, of course, if you're trading this as a swing, then yes, you got your stop loss taken, and as always, it's absolutely fine, right? This is one loss many others. If you remember good here, we have been predicting for, I mean, for quite a long moment now, not gonna lie, some crazy stuff. So I mean, to be wrong, if you can say that one time, it's absolutely fine, right? Just that's a loss many others, okay? And yeah, now the thing is to get more wins than loss, right? Or bigger wins than loss. If you take, for example, 9 losses but you get 1 big win, you can still make profit, right? So yeah, anyway, so yeah, hope you as always, you have to get a risk management. It's extremely important. Always get a risk management. For example, if you took that short here, how can you do this? You have a stop loss here, you look for lower directly here, okay? And what you can do here is to, first of all, when you play your stop loss, you adjust the quantity, see what you can risk, okay? Maximum here, when you take that trade, maximum as always, you can risk 2%, and again, 2% is quite big, so I will not risk 2% personally on my trade, depending really of the trade. But yeah, this is not a 1% risk I will take on this, to be fair. So yeah, you can risk 1%, 0.5%, 0.2%. If you want to know how to do this, you just have to go on the MOONCHARTS for website as always, and yeah, you can just just go and check this out. You know, you have a beginner course for absolutely for free on the website, so we're going to check this out. By the way, there is a giveaway here running on the website for 20 days right now. I mean, 20 days left. It's running now for a bit more than a week, and so yeah, just to thank you all for the 500 subscribers, you have 1 free VIP months, okay? You have only 1 winner, the prize number 2 1 MC sweatshirt, and the prize number 3 is the XOCharts month for free. So what XOChart is this, okay? This is an order flow. I'm gonna again to give you some targets. What you have to do is just to read the order flow in there, okay? And so from here you just have to read the order flow into the targets, and you're good to take a trade or not, right? So just follow the step below and you're good to enter the price. It's absolutely free, okay? It's absolutely free. Just to thank you all so much for the 500 subscribers, and by the way, maybe soon the 1000. You are absolutely crazy. I just thank you so much for the for almost 1000 subscribers. This went so fast from the 500 to 1000 almost here. I mean 800 now, 900 is went just absolutely crazy fast. So anyway, if you enjoy the content as always, as I said earlier, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications, and let's continue with this. So let's pull this on the right. Perfect. And so yeah, just to let you know that you have to get a risk management as always. It's extremely important if you want to be profitable in trading. So now I'm going to keep these 5 waves. I'm going to to remove the ABC flat, because now we went into the invalidation, so that's not good anymore, okay? We can pull that B wave and accept that the top was here. The RSI in that case didn't make a new high here, so the RSI was not that right here at that time. I mean, on this one, but anyway, this is fine, okay? You really have to understand that all of this, you know, was I mean, this was some waves that was planned, okay? Of course, sometimes we'll have some few scenarios, but we're able to recognize at some point which one to take. Yeah, here we get an invalidation now. I mean, it's absolutely fine, right? to be, if we can say, wrong, but as I say in running, it's possible to go high. Just in terms of probability, it's more probable to get a drop than to get a rise. Now it's not impossible to get a rise. We can absolutely get a rise. That's why we always have a risk management when we take a trade. But anyway, so yeah, let's just make this a bit smaller. Bam, let's remove that, make this a bit smaller. So if we do have the 5 waves up here and we keep pushing her, then what we can take here, okay? So we can possibly look for the Z wave to be done, okay? But I'm really going to focus on this right here, okay? On this push to the upside. If we have a 5 waves here to the upside, then it can simply be here a wave. So oops, let me click at that, an ABC zigzag, okay? 5 waves, correction, unverified waves. Okay, this is an ABC Zigzag, and you have this course for free on the website if you want to know how to pull the retracement, how to pull the extension tool to find the targets, all of it. But for example, here to find the targets of this ABC Zigzag, you have to pull your extension tool from the A wave root to the A wave top to the B wave bottom, and so from here, just gonna remove that first fib right here because we don't care at all about that one. We're going to look for this MC extension first. Okay, so 618 up to the 7x6 with the 71 here in between. Then if we get acceptance above, we're going to look for the 120 extension. Then get acceptance above this, look for the 1823. Get acceptance above 1618, and if we start to go above here, that's an invalidation again for this ABC Zigzag. Okay, in that case, if we start to go above here on the 20%, it can be an extension for the ABC Zigzag. The ABC Zigzag can do an extension, but then I will take more this kind of wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As always, these are the exact same smaller waves, so it's impossible to say which one to take. Okay, only time can fully confirm. That's why we plan the targets, and the only thing you have to do in there is to check at what is happening behind the market, if we can say that. So for example, here we can see on that order flow that we got like 5 million of new longs opening here on that top. Okay, same for example yesterday, you get so some crazy amount here, as you can see coming in here. You got almost 10 million of new long here opening on that right here. Okay, so you come back up and you just come to take those highs, and you just come back down here to just feel all this kind of right here. Okay, to just scale these longs or stop this long here with stop loss on 3, all of this. Then you just get, as you can see here, so some few more longs here, and bam, come back down again to get even more liquidations. You can see you have some big liquidations here, or people closing, stop loss taking, all of this. You come back up again. Okay, you have some few longs again here while taking the high. I can't remember, we took the highs. So yeah, this is just you can see really some nice data to allow you to trade that good, really. Okay, same for here. You can see we have like almost again 10 million here of new loans coming in. So yeah, this explains the retrade here. We go below the low here to take this stop loss, the long stop loss and everything. But anyways, that can allow you to get some nice possible trade, to make some informed trading decision really on the market. You have this, of course, you have this on you have to trade on many time frames, okay, to be able to trade that good, such as the 1 minute, 3, 5 minute, 30 seconds, 10-second chart too, by the way. You have to check out this. But yeah, so this is what you have to do really in there. Okay, what you can do here, just so to add some alerts into these targets. So bam, you can pull it like this. Oh god, let me just click it. Wrong key. Bam. So this is the second target. You have the third target here. Oh god, come on! Don't know why it's not working. I think I'm not pressing. Well, but anyway, so yeah, first, second, third, fourth targets. If we go and hit the 20% here, then I'm taking an impulsive here to the upside. Okay, that's simple as that, really. Now the thing is, you have to understand that if we do an ABC Zigzag, okay, so to speak, if we do this ABC Zigzag here, okay, and for example we'll stop from this swing failure pan right here, or failed auction, okay, that is first target above us really to be aware of. The main target really above us to be aware of. Really important. If we do take the highs here, okay, really order flow in there is extremely important in my opinion. You have to be aware of a possible move up like this, and bam, bring it back down. Okay. Sorry. So yeah, if we do this ABC, keep in mind that this is a correction to go more down. Okay, it can be, of course, for leading with a smaller wave of an ending, so to speak, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that case, that will be a bigger wave 1. Then you have the bigger wave to retracement. Okay, bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, and then here we go, pump it up. But again, what do you have in this kind of leading? Okay, you have normally a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have an impulsive. When you have an ABC Zigzag, this is for the ending. Now sometimes you can get a leading with a smaller way of the ending, and the opposite, an ending with a smaller way of a leading. So it is possible, but again, that is a rare case, so we're not going to bet on this. We're just going to bet on the most probable wave. So if we do an ABC Zigzag here, what we can be, I mean, it's a correction here to go more down normally, so we can take simply here a bigger WXY into the Z wave, right? Make the X wave and look for the Y here to the downside. If we do take the highs, read the X wave, then remove it because it's not possible, and we simply look here for an ABC flat. Okay, so A, B, C flat, right? So yeah, oops, that this is what we'll have to look at step by step. Okay, and yeah, so if we come back down here for the Z, we're going to update that. Okay, but yeah, so first take the ABC Zigzag, look at these targets, and if we start before, okay, before here the MC extension, then yeah, that's a truncated C wave, and that's fine, you know, like we just do this, and that's part of the game, really. But I mean, on the lower time frame right now, we're doing so much desperable stuff. So personally, I'm not trading this. Okay, I'm not trading it. I prefer to remain patient a bit, wait for better stuff to come, and yeah, once this happened, then I'm happy to take back to trade again. But you know, I did not close in my long from, because I saw like some people, you know, taking the comment here, you're going to get wrecked. You know, it depends on how you're trading this. If you're trading this as a swing, for example, you know, for the ABC flat, yeah, of course you will get wrecked on that. But I mean, it's just one loss money. Also, I explained yesterday, and you normally make, with these predictions, you normally make more wins than loss, you know. So, and if you have risk management, you're not going to pull 100% of your wallet on this. So you take this top loss, you're kind of just below, you just forget, really. So no, you have risk management, you have all of this, so it's absolutely fine, right? And so I did not close my long from 15,000. I did not close my long from 24,000. No, I'm even if we got that move down here, I'm still my long from the week low here, as you can see. So then, I mean, not because we get a move down, I'm going to close my longs, and that's why same here. For example, as I say to my team, it was reclaim the range low here, take the long. I never said you had to close that long. So normally, if for example you have a bit of a risk management, if you take the short and you get the stop loss taken, this loss here will be, this loss right here will be covered normally by that long trade here, okay, or that long trade or the long from below, okay. So yeah, it's just, these are just some risk management stuff you have to know, really. But yeah, so this is what I'm looking at right now on Bitcoin. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget also to go on the website here. Go and take your chance here to win one of the 3 prizes. 1 winner for the VIP month, 1 winner for the MC Switcher, 3 winners for the Exalt Chats month for free. There are 20 days, I mean, yeah, 20 days left, and so you just go and check this stuff right here. You have to do below. Don't forget to verify your email, otherwise, as always, you won't be able to win. This is mandatory to avoid on our side some scams and some spams. Okay, so this is, yeah, something where you have to do. Otherwise, yeah, you won't be able to win even if you register to the giveaway. But you just have to click the link you receive in the giveaway to verify your account, and you're good. That's the only thing you have to do. But anyway, if you want more of us, just go on the website mooncharts.fr. And as always, yeah, if you enjoy the content, please don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications. It's, as always, yeah, I mean, just thank you so much if you take the time to do it. And it's a pleasure always to see you all joining here. It's absolutely crazy. So yeah, thank you all, and yeah, have a brilliant day. Take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.